With Sylvia Jablonski. She's the Chief Investment Officer and co-founder of DeFiance ETFs. Good morning to you, Sylvia. I think we're all trying to make sense of what we should be doing or what folks should be doing this morning, given the tensions in Russia, Ukraine. You heard the professor. He thinks we should still be focused more on the Fed. What do you think?
Yeah, good morning, Andrew. Look, I think the Fed is the biggest risk to the market. Russia and Ukraine situation certainly brings volatility in, and I think it keeps people who want to be out of the market out and leads to some panic selling like we've seen in the last couple of weeks. But I don't think that's going to have a big impact on U.S. equities. It depends on the Fed and whether or not we get that soft landing. But I think what's being missed here is that the economy is still fundamentally strong. The consumer is strong. A lot of the big tech mega cap names have pricing power. All the earnings interviews that you guys did this morning with Macy's, Krispy Kreme, Home Depot. I mean, these are really positive results. And I think that if the market continues to get this positive economic data and earnings continue to go in this direction, then things will start to settle down towards the latter half of the year. Right now, it's all panic selling, I think, and short-term, sideways volatility. And that actually does make for some good deals and opportunities to get into the market if you're not in it.
Like what? What do you think's dislocated right now?
Yeah, well, like cash is locking in losses, right? So I think if you look at, Jim Cramer just mentioned, if you look at AMD, NVIDIA, Qualcomm, semiconductors, right? 5G is one of the biggest technological revolutions we're going to see. We have augmented reality, AI, EV companies are basically tech companies. These companies are essentially strong. They have lots of cash, pricing power. And I think that they're at a discount, and then travel and revenge. I mean, travel is absolutely crushing it right now and we're missing it. Marriott's up 5%, Royal Caribbean, 8%, United up another 7 to 8%, S&P is down 8%. That trade is actually working and we're sort of missing it. And internationally, it's set to grow about 200% this year, according to the WTTC. So there are definitely some bright spots in the market.